use the link below and type in Britley at checkout for 10% off your planner. 10% off. Britley, code Britley. Hey, what's up? It's Jordan here, and today we're going to talk about the Full Focus Planner products that they've rolled out. They sent them over to me. I got so excited I actually unboxed them, and it was not on video. So to make up for that, I have packaged them up myself. Pretend like it's the first time I'm seeing them too. We all could have unboxed it together if I had just hit record, but I didn't. I'm so lame. I'm sorry about that. So first up, in my first package, we've got this beautiful blanket that it came with. I'm just kidding, it does not come with a blanket at all. It comes in a box that I unpackaged. Wow, I have never seen this before. I've totally seen it. I've totally seen it before because I unboxed it off camera. This is beautiful. This is their new pocket planner, and it's basically a condensed version of the big planner. I'll show you that too. And then, oh, that is a Midwest thing. Journals, little notebooks, brilliant thoughts. I'll show you how I use them. I'm just kidding. You know how to use a journal. Package number 1, complete. Hi, if you use the code Britley and the link below, you get 10% off. Link below, code Britley, 10% off. For package number 2, we have this beautiful white blanket that's wrapped in, but it won't come that way unless you unpackage it yourself and then wrap it up in your own white blanket and then unpackage it again. And I don't know why you would do that. I don't know. This is stunning. I have never seen this color before. Okay, so you know I've seen it before, right? Like I saw it 30 minutes earlier when I unboxed it off camera. Why? Why did I do that? Full size, full focus planner, a pocket size, full focus planner, and full focus journals. These come in handy. Actually stick these in the back of your planner and take it with you wherever you want to go. I was concerned that maybe by sticking it in there, it would make this bulge. It doesn't make it bulge. It actually still fits really nice in your hand. It's nice and secure. It's not gonna fall out, shaking your planner on the way to your next meeting. Content ideas, marketing ideas, whatever it is that you've got going on. I think this is a really nice thing to keep in your planner and just transfer it from one planner to the next. Next up, this beautiful planner. This caramel color is from their executive line, and it has that new layout. It's all the days of the week listed out here for you, which I think is nice. I kind of do like a rough draft of my week, kind of optimize it there. A lot of people do meal prep. This planner is so awesome. You know what's not awesome? Unboxing things off camera. That's not awesome. But I love it because while I'm thinking about my big 3 over here on this page, I can get a weekly look. How can I readjust? When do I want to make something or edit something? When do I need to be out of my office and the office plan all of those days for maximum efficiency? This planner also has the pocket, so you can tuck it in the back. Really pretty design right here. Imagine yourself headed into a presentation and you've got your planner here so you can jot down notes or quickly look at your month here instead of on your device. And that's really nice from a professional standpoint because, you know, when I'm at the doctor's office or something like that, I just pull out my phone and plug it in. But whenever I'm at a meeting or a presentation, I think this would look a lot nicer. I can quickly go to my monthly overview, see what I've got scheduled for those days, and plug in a client, plug in a shoot, take some notes about their project, and it's all there for you. You can transfer it over to Asana later or whatever you need. Last but not least, we've got this tiny pocket planner. This thing is so small. I think you could pretty much put it anywhere. It's a little bit more condensed, so you pretty much pick your big 3 and then a space to write your appointments, other tasks or notes down here on the page, which is super great if you don't need to use the planner to write a ton of notes and keep track of a lot of things throughout your day. I love this. I love how compact it is. I think for my lifestyle and the way that I use the planner, I need the big pages. This planner is great if you aren't using the daily pages and filling those up essentially as the same planner in a smaller version, but you don't have as much room each day to make notes. So you decide what works best for you. I'd love to hear down below which planner you're gonna get, the pocket size or the full size, classic standard or the classic pocket. The standard is going to be this big size and the pocket is going to be The size, the Classic has this almost linen-like finish to it. So this is nice and smooth. This has some texture. So if you're wanting to get the Classic pocket, that would be this one right here. And you can choose between that linen color and the black color. Caramel color or the black color, the full size bold line. And you can choose between these colors. Here's our stack. I seriously don't know how on earth I'm gonna decide between these two. Maybe I could have one for work and one for my office. That would be so dumb. Way too much to keep track of. I'm gonna use this one. Comment down below, let me know which one's your favorite, and if you have any tips or tricks for how you like to use the Full Focus Planner. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit that thumbs up button below, leave a comment, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video. And if you get one of these planners, use the link below and type in Britley at checkout for 10% off. Woohoo, 10%. Use the code Britley for 10% off. 10%, 10% off. Use the code Britley for 10% off.